vehicle? Check out the 2008 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, leather upholstery, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.